Eat this protein-packed breakfast to reduce inflammation in your waistline. Most of us, including me, usually eat the same meal for breakfast every day. And we all know that after some time we all get bored of the food we eat for breakfast. But you shouldn't be worried, because it doesn't have to be like that. In this video we are going to show you how to make the healthiest breakfast, which will help you reduce inflammation and help you lose weight at the same time. The best thing about this healthy breakfast is that it's very simple and easy to make, and you probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen cabinet. Note, this delicious and super healthy breakfast is loaded with proteins and other healthy nutrients, and it has the ability to boost muscle mass and speed up the weight loss process. You should also know that it contains fats for energy and some other healthy ingredients that will block food cravings later. As we said, this recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Avocado-based baked eggs. You will need the following ingredients: 1 avocado, 2 eggs, turmeric, pepper or cayenne pepper. We all know that eggs are super healthy. They are packed with 7 grams of protein. You should also know that eggs can boost your health and help the body get vitamin D, which is great for bone health and keeps people safe from osteoporosis. Eggs also contain high amounts of vitamin A vitamin crucial for the eyesight, vitamin B2 which supports the process of digestion, vitamin B12 which plays crucial role in the management of red blood cells, and vitamin E which support the immune system and improves eye, skin, and brain health. And as we mentioned before, eggs are rich in fat, which means they can keep us sated for a long period of time. Avocados are also loaded with healthy nutrients, and they can provide many health benefits. They are packed with fiber, potassium, folic acid, magnesium, and vitamin E. These ingredients are very healthy, support cleansing of the body, and aid digestion. You should know that the fiber found in avocados also supports the process of cleansing of the colon. Avocados are a rich source of healthy fats that manage the levels of LDL cholesterol and keep a proper balance of hormone production. So if you combine these two superfoods, you will get an excellent, delicious and healthy breakfast that supports weight loss and soothes inflammation. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 225 degrees Celsius. You need to slice the avocado in half and remove the seed. Get a spoon and spoon out some of the avocado to make room for the egg, and press avocado into baking sheet to give it a flat bottom and prevent it from falling over. After that, you need to crack 1 egg in each half of avocado and add salt and pepper, and any other toppings of your choosing, paprika, turmeric, and cayenne. Then you need to put baking sheet with avocado halves into oven and cook until your eggs are done to your taste. Enjoy your breakfast. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.